Hello, welcome back to the Vintage Model Company. This is a new video about the shark face and we're going to be doing a bit of flying with it. I'm going to show you what's underneath the wing here, what's underneath the... I can't take it off. What's underneath this hatch and yeah, doing a bit of an overview of this aircraft. Just so that you know more about it in case you want to build one. Before though, I should mention we're in a new space today. This is a new filming space that we're going to be building into a studio for this YouTube channel in the near future. So it's a bit echoey at the moment. There's nothing behind me, which will change in the future. But yeah, just thought I'd let you know because yeah, we're going to be doing more videos soon and hopefully they'll look a bit nicer than this one with a blank space behind me. Okay, let's have a look at shark face and see what makes this aeroplane that I love so good. Alright, firstly let's talk about the power system. On this particular aircraft we've got a flight test radial engine on here, or radial motor, sorry. This is from the Power Pack A, it's from the new flight test power pack. It's an 1806 motor size, which is pretty popular in the quad racing world. Now interestingly, this aircraft is actually quite an old design. It's from 1965 in fact. So as this is a rework of the original design, you can use electric motors and it has been designed for them. Alright, let's have a look underneath to see what's going on underneath here. Under here we have the we have a servo for the ailerons, which are on a control linkage system. So they've got torque rods here. And having one servo in the wing is quite nice because then you don't have to use as many servos in the aeroplane. You keep it a bit lighter and all of that. Under here we have the servos for the tail. So it's a 4-channel aircraft. We've got the rudder and elevator as well as the ailerons and the throttle. I've taken it out of here at the moment, but an RX receiver goes in here. And there's plenty of room to work on stuff, which is nice. Now the thing I absolutely love about this plane is the way that the internal structure is designed and how it goes together incredibly quickly when you're building it. So you've actually got 2 layers here. You've got the internal layer, which is an internal box that you build first, and then you clad it with the fuselage sides and the fuselage top and bottom pieces. And this makes the whole structure extremely strong, but it also makes it incredibly easy to build and quick to build as well. Alright, so I think that it's time to go to the flying field. So the other day I took this up with a 4-cell battery on it, and that was quite a lot of power and quite a lot of fun. So here's what happened. Here's how this thing flies on a high power setup. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, then remember to like it, subscribe for more of course, and we will see you in the next one.